Tita Marie.
Tita Marie.
This is Tita Marie Sari store in Laguna.
No one comes in.
Huh?
Yeah, like the one
that's
Valerie.
Here comes Tita Marie.
Nandiyan na kayo?
Hello, Tita Marie.
Good morning, everyone. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Pretty good, thank you. We're about to walk to your place. Yeah. Oh, we have tourists. Yeah, wait.
Yeah.
Hello, miss. Almost in
Hello, how are you?
Why did you sit there?
It's okay.
We can sit there.
Because we're special.
Yeah, in every way.
Hindi yung kulang na kulang nito. Gusto mo ba yun? Yung kulang mataas pa yan?
One, two, bye-bye!
Did you bring anything to cover you?
Like what?
Cup.
Oh,
Umbrella.
she didn't like.
It's gonna be
Okay.
Mom!
Oh, what?
Okay, you want some candy?
Oh, you made some candy, so. Oh, lovely. Oh, no, I'm alright, thank you.
See, lots of candy.
Nothing.
Josh.
Nahanap ko lang talaga yung kilalang trusted ba?
Trusted na.
Sasabihin sa akin talaga.
Bayad nga eh. Sabi ko,
What is that?
na pinapili.